It was the year 1997. A man by the name Brother Pedro Jasper Cuyapens de la Cruz Jr. conceived the idea of gathering selected individuals and teaching them the language of the soul, the universal language of music. But it was not until the year after that he found himself in the district of Rizal, locale of Brookside, where he started what was before only a plan. He taught a choir in that locale, his first choir in our beloved district of Rizal. The choir went 3 months, and from the members, that choir sparted the next step in music. From the locale of Brookside, he was then called to teach in nearby locale, the locale of Village East. From 2 members of the former choir, they gathered individuals to be taught the art. It was not easy, but with God's help, nothing is impossible. And thus, the VYC born. They performed in different occasions for about a year. But every good thing must come to an end. And it was only the tip of the iceberg in what God had in mind, unconceivable by our human minds. While in his friend's house in that same district, Sister Cheryl Magat gave Brother Peds a call in hopes of convincing him to accept the offer, an invitation to go to her locale in Angono and continue what began in Brookside. Then the year 1999 in the locale of Angono, with a few members to start, with the people around them, to say the least, not supportive, yet with God's merciful guidance, the number of members grew steadily. They first performed in the PNK Drama Fest in INCDC in Taytay, without knowing that in the future, that place will be their official home. They performed in Pasig, ACEM, Punta Santa Ana, as a Mega Mall, Department of Education, Culture and Sports, Rizal Division, and many more. The next milestone got the first step in Big Leap. 2001 choir competition. Every area in the district entered their best choir. Area 7, without any other choir in other locales except Angono, was left with 2 choices: to enter the AYC or not to enter at all. It was decided AYC will be the Area 7's entry. Then the number of members was a bit sparse to achieve the quality and sound needed in a competitive atmosphere. Thus, Brother Ped summoned the members in the first 2 choirs he handled. It was not easy to train for such circumstances, but they did what they had, even if it means of rehearsing in a vacant lot. The day of competition, dressed only with black shirts and denim jeans. In their mind, their goal was to perform at their very best. They sang the contest piece, They Who Wait, which is not even supposed to be a contest piece in musical standard. After their presentation, they went backstage, and were all thankful that the ordeal was over. The time has come to announce who the winner is. It all came to their surprise, that they got the top place. Those who glorify will be humbled, and those who are humble will be glorified. In the second day of June that same year, the first place winner of the last competition was called gather in INCDC and was ordered to perform in trade exhibit. The trade exhibit was held last June 12 at Parang Marikina. They were summoned by Brother Rolando Esguerra and Brother Romulo Ferma. And that day, the district choir was born. All they need is a name. Brother Rolando Esguerra to put the choir under the tutelage and guidance of Brother June Bergonia. And it was him who gave them with the very same name they are using. The Rizal District Chorus was officially declared. It was a very rigorous process, turning the members thought it was just a one-shot deal. With tears in their eyes, they said their goodbyes. And after that performance, they were called again and again, on many occasions, to sing their songs until it was a regular passion. Rehearsal every Saturday. Brother June said, "A mango tree abundant in fruits cannot escape the fate of being stoned, so that the mango will all fall down." Yet they did not lose hope, and especially faith, and they persevered despite the different obstacles that only made them stronger. And thus, now having continuous year in service of the church and the glory of God in over 300 present and alumni members, they still continue to warm our hearts in every song they sing. And everything would not be possible without the help and merciful guidance of our Almighty God.
Magandang gabi po sa inyo lahat. Una-una po papasalamat na po ako sa binigay niyong maiksing panahon para saksihan ang hamak na pan-share ko na inihanda ng Rizal District sa inyo. Nabuo ang proyekto ito sa simpleng biruan lamang na nauwi sa simpleng anniversary lang dapat na hindi magiging concert. Nagkataon lang na nang bumisita ako sa KS Island Distrito na isang simple pagbisita lang dahil sa kaibigan sila ng pamilya namin. Naikwento ko, na makita pa na nila ako, ang bungad sa akin ay, nasa RDC, bigla ako nagulat. Matagal na palang hinahanap ng distrito ng Rizal, ang Rizal District Chorus. Ang Rizal District Chorus naman po sa inyong kaalaman is hindi naman po nawala.
Hallelujah. Hello to my RDC family and its entire clan. I'd like to say happy 15th glorious anniversary, and I'm happy and proud to say that I've been part of this group since day one, with of course the help of our napakabait at walang kupas na si Kuya PJ. Yan po yung nagpasimula ng grupo namin at hanggang ngayon siya pa rin ang nangunguna, na yung values na itinuturo niya hindi lang sa music, pati na rin po sa aming pamumuhay na dala-dala po namin hanggang abroad. Kaya po nagpapasalamat ako dahil nandyan po siya. And of course, to all my batchmates, alam niyo na kung sino kayo at itago na lang natin ang ating mga age dahil alam niyo na masyado nang matagal. So, sa mga hindi ko nakasama at nakilala pang mga naging anak ng RDC, nagpapasalamat din ako dahil naging part kayo ng group. Isa ito sa pinakamalaking grupo na masasabi nating ipinagmamalaki ng iglesia. At sa iyo ulit, Kuya PJ, thank you very much for your untiring dedication, sacrifice, and faithfulness to the group. At to my brothers and sisters in RDC, miss na miss ko na kayo. And I hope this won't be the last as your final bow. At sana po patuloy pa rin po tayong maging mabisang katuwang ng pamamahala sa bawat aktibidad na may kinalaman po sa music at pagbibigay saya rin at ngiti sa ating mga kapatid. Kaya sana po hindi po ito yung last anniversary natin. Once again, this is your Ate Cheryl Magat Pyle saying happy anniversary and happy centennial.
Hi RDC! Happy 15th year anniversary sa ating lahat. At magpaalaman ng grupong ito, patuloy pa rin ito sa magandang alaala ng mga miyembro. At hindi ito makakalimutan sapagkat nagkaroon tayo ng magandang samahan. At ang grupong ito ay nakapagbigay ng kapurihan sa pamamagitan ng mga awiting pagpupuri. Message ko kay Kuya Peds, God bless sa PDC, ganoon din sa mga plano mo sa future. And salamat sa lahat ng magagandang alaala, sa mga magagandang awitin na tinuro mo sa amin na hanggang ngayon baon pa rin namin, hindi namin makakalimutan. To all the members, I miss you all so much. Pag nakikita ko yung mga video, naalala ko yung noon, sobrang nakakamiss balikan. Yun nga, last week nakapag-perform ako dito sa district namin at lahat nag-flashback sa akin. Sobrang namiss ko talaga. Pagtapa ko sa stage, yung narinig ko yung mga hiyawan ng mga tao. Sobrang sarap sa pakiramdam. Gusto ko na kayong makita. Kung pwede lang na umuwi kami lagi. Pero hindi naman ganon. Pero alam ko naman na unawaan niyo yun. But hopefully, sana makikita tayo soon. Miss you all so much. Happy anniversary and God bless you all. I love you all so much. Bye!
Us Thank you for giving me this chance na makabati sa inyo on our anniversary and final bow. Nakakalungkot. Pero I just wanted to thank all of you, RDC, Kuya Peds. Salamat sa lahat ng mga memories na binigay niyo sa akin. Kahit hindi ako naging matagal na member ng RDC, hindi katulad ng iba na mulat sa pool pa lang sila na. Sandali lang ako naging member ng RDC, pero naglast ang mga memories na ginawa natin. Lahat ng performance, practices, sobrang naging masaya ako na maging part ng family ng RDC. Doon ko na-express yung passion and love ko for music. Love na love ko talaga kumanta. Although ngayon, banyo na lang ako. Pero thank you so much for all the memories. Thank you so much sa lahat ng masasayang moments na share natin sa isa't isa. Thank you for all the friendships, all the love. Thank you sa lahat ng mga ates, tsaka kuyas na laging sumusundo sa akin para lang makapag-rehearse ako. I know at one point, naging sakit yata ako ng ulo ni Kuya Peds dahil laging problema kung paano ako makakarating sa rehearsal. Pero maraming salamat talaga sa pag-intindi sa sitwasyon ko and still allowing me to be a part of the RDC family. Miss na miss ko kayong lahat. Hopefully, pag uwi ko dyan, someway magkita-kita pa rin tayong lahat and magsama-sama, mag-jamming-jamming kahit naglalakad lang tayo sa Rojas Boulevard. Naalala ko pa yun. But thank you so much. Thank you so much and happy anniversary to all of you. I hope you enjoy the rest of the celebration dahil alam ko kung paano mag-celebrate ang RDC. So, I love you all. Enjoy and see you soon.
Hello po, this is Rochelle, aka Bunining. I just wanted to greet everyone. Happy 15th year anniversary. 15 years is a very long time and it's a big blessing from God. Kahit matagal na pong panahon ng lumipas, marami na pong nang bago, kahit malayo po ako, hindi ko po makakalimutan lahat ng natutunan ko from you. Lahat ng pagmamahal at pag-aalaga ng mga ate at kuya ko, hindi ko po yun makakalimutan. And today, if today is a concert, it might be a bit emotional for all of you because it might be the last time that you are on stage together. Pero alam ko po na hindi po dito magtatapos ang RDC. Kasi po yung pagmamahal natin as one big family, hindi po yun mawawala. Kahit maghiwa-hiwalay po tayo, nandun pa rin po yun. Yung bond natin as a family. For me, kahit saan po ako pupunta, I'm still RDC at heart. And I just wish and I hope na sana one day I'll get to see you again and meet the new members. Sana po okay lang po kayong lahat. Miss ko na po kayo. Hello po, Kuya Peds. And yeah, thank you po sa lahat and hopefully I'll see you soon. And have fun po on today. Break a leg. Wish I was there. Okay po, bye-bye.
Hello RDC, Ate Shetan here. Happy 15th anniversary sa ating lahat. This is it, the final bow. Pero alam natin, hindi ito ang huli. Dahil patuloy tayong aawit at magbibigay puri sa ating Ama at sa Iglesia. Naging malaking parte ang RDC sa buhay ko. Maraming bagay ang nabago ng grupong ito sa sarili ko. PJ, Glee Club Days pala, magkasama na tayo. Salamat. Hindi man ako nabigyan ng opportunity mag-solo sa Glee Club. Pero sa RDC, hindi ka nag-hesitate na nabigyan ako ng solo part sa Inares. Thank you for trusting me, for trusting my talent. Ipagpatuloy mo yan sa BDC. Huwag kang titigil dahil maraming mga kabataan at mga kapatid na gustong ipakita ang talentong mayroon sila. Keep it up and I love you so much. To RDC, hindi ko man kayo maisa-isa, mahal ko kayong lahat. Hope to see you all soon. Bye.
Hey guys, I just want to say happy 15th anniversary to us. I sure do miss everyone. I miss our performances together, our bonding together, and for tonight, just enjoy the night, and I wish I was there to perform with you guys. So you guys have a great night and take care.
uh, 15 years na pala yung nakalipas. Parang kailan lang yung mga pinagsamahan natin. Sobrang nakakamiss lahat yon. Yung mga performances, yung mga experiences, yung mga rehearsal tuwing napakaaga ng, ano mo yun, tawag, kailangan dumating ka on time. Nakakamiss yun, yung mga bandings, yung mga lugar na pinupuntahan natin kapag kailangan nating magsama-sama, mag-overnight, nakakamiss lahat yon. Sobrang na-miss ko yon. Kuya Peds, salamat. Kasi marami akong natutunan. Nakakalungkot lang isipin na final bow na pala natin to. Pero ganun pa man, kahit malayo tayo sa isa't isa, hindi na mawawala yun sa isip ko, sa puso ko, lahat ng mga pinagsamahan natin.
Thank you, and sana magkita-kita tayo sa Centennial, no? Siyempre, hindi ako papayag na hindi ako kasama sa final bow. Mula po dito sa United Arab Emirates, Cheryl, proud to be alto, and this is my final bow.
Happy 15 years anniversary Rizal District Chorus or RDC. Hello Kuya Peds. Congratulations sa'yo for eto na kami. Maka 15 years na ang RDC. Salamat sa'yo sa lahat ng itinuro mo sa amin. And salamat sa pamilyang ipinagkaloob mo sa amin. Salamat sa BDC na ngayon supported din ng RDC. And sana maging maganda pa at maging mabunga ang binuo mong pamilya. Ingat kayo lagi and namimiss na namin kayo sobra. Ingat palagi. God bless you. Happy anniversary!
8th year anniversary!
RDC!
Rizal District Chorus! Ritmo Decoral!
Tama!
Yay!
Yay! No? Galing-galing. Pets Junior nga to.
po sa inyong lahat. Bumabati po ako ng maligayang ika-15 taong anibersaryo sa ating lahat, RDC. And bumabati rin po ako sa lahat ng mga nakarating naming bisita. Salamat po. Sa mga nag-perform, congratulations sa inyo. Sa naging punong abala po para lang maging successful tong event na to, maraming salamat po. Tsaka po sa pinakamamahal namin si Kuya Peds. Salamat din po sapagkat binigyan niyo po kami ng pagkakataon na makabahagi po kaming mga nasa ibang bansa ng isang maiksing pagbati sa inyo. Kahit saglit na oras lang. Maraming salamat po. Siyempre sa lahat ng mga pagtatagumpay po natin, alam po natin kung sino nasa likod natin. Ang Ama lang po na nasa langit. Kaya huwag po natin kakalimutan na ibalik lahat ng kapurihan sa Kanya. So, paano, RDC? Enjoy the night. Enjoy the remaining time. Happy anniversary again. And hope to see you in Centennial.
Boy, picture.
Happy anniversary, RDC. This is your Ate Mucha, your Ate Chacha. And very special tong group na ito kasi proud ako dito kahit saan ako makarating. Naging malayo man ako sa inyo. Matagal man ang panahon na hindi tayo nagkita pero walang nagbago. Miss na miss ko kayong lahat at masaya kami dito sa saan man kami narito. Sa California kami. Binabati ko kayong lahat ngayong araw na ito. Sana patuloy ang inyong pagkatuto at marami pa kayong marating. Alam ko na hindi malayo sa inyo ang mga pagtatagumpay, lalo sa pagkatuto sa inyong musika, personalidad, at higit sa lahat yung paglilingkod natin sa Ama. Binabati ko kayong lahat at masaya kami, nakikigala kami dito kasama ng aking pamilya at ng Kapol Ignacio. Mananatili kayo sa aming mga puso, alaala. The best kayo. The best ang RDC. Enjoy your night. It's your day. Kuya Peds, thank you for everything. You're not just a tagapagturo. You're also a good friend. Kaya, para sa'yo to ang gabi na ito. Congratulations. Alam ko, you did it. Miss ko kayo ng sobra. Good luck, God bless, and happy anniversary, RDC.
Bye. Bye.
Say love you.
I love you.
Mwah. TJ and Polo.
Isang mundo, isang awit, isang sigaw, pag-ibig.
What has life to offer me when I grow old? What's there to look forward to beyond the biting cold? They say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. What's there beyond sleep, eat, work in this cruel life? Ain't there nothing else round here but human strife? 'Cause they say it's difficult, yes, stereotypical. Gotta be conventional, you can't be so radical. So I sing the